involved in a motor vehicle accident. He was unrestrained.
It's amazing to me how much we all tolerate the carnage that occurs on the world's highways.
Hit the windshield, major intrusion, head injury.
We would never tolerate that death rate with a war or a natural disaster. There's no question we're addicted to the automobile.
We are in love with the car. 600 million of them keep us all on the move.
We're going to drive. We need to drive. We want to drive.
But this object of desire is also a killer.
It's not only a problem, it's actually an epidemic.
Around the world each year, over 1 million people die on the roads. But scientists hope to change this.
There will be a time when people do not die in car crashes. And that's because there will be a time when cars don't crash.
We are now entering a bold new era of research and design.
2, 1.
One where experiments are not just with cars, but the human body itself.
Now I'll ask you to relax your neck muscles. Are you ready?
It's a strange world, where everyday drivers are placed in challenging situations.
3.
Where innovations from medicine, engineering, and even sport might forever make fatal car crashes a thing of the past. The first step towards saving lives on the roads is to understand what really happens when everything goes terribly wrong during a crash.